Welcome to my channel, Amazon Top Picks. Is this $150 EUHOMY Countertop Ice Maker actually worth your money? I grabbed the black model with the handle, and here's what I found after putting it through its paces in my kitchen, and even on a quick camping trip. First off, let me say, this thing is fast. I get 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes. That's enough to cool off a couple of drinks before you can even finish prepping snacks. Over 24 hours, it'll make up to 26 pounds of ice. You'll never run out at your next cookout. I love how simple it is to use. There's one button to control everything, a clear window so you can peek in on the action, and lights that tell you if you need to add water or if it's full. And it's actually pretty quiet. No loud clunking or humming. I've had it running right on the counter while working, and it doesn't bug me at all. The ice itself? Smooth, hollow bullets that drop right into your iced coffee or cocktails without sticking together. The basket holds enough for a small group, and it comes with a scoop, so you won't have to dig around with your hands. Now, it's not perfect. If you leave ice sitting in the basket, it does start to melt. There's no insulation. And while it cleans itself with one button, getting into the nooks for a deeper clean is a little tricky. A few folks say their machines wore out after a few months of heavy use, so durability might be a toss-up. But for under $150, if you want a portable, fast, and easy ice maker for everyday use or the occasional party, I say it's worth it. Just don't expect it to outlast your fridge. Hope this helps you decide. Thanks for watching. If you like to purchase the item, just click the link below. If you like our channel, please subscribe now. You will not miss any videos in the future.